Welcome to this video. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows Server into computer by using a USB flash disk. We are going to use this USB flash disk and this computer, and this is its screen. Okay, let's start from powering off and then restart the computer. Okay, power on the computer. Then press F9. We are going to change or to check the BIOS boot option. Okay, this is correct. Then here you have to save, change and exit. Then press F9 to boot from USB flash. F9. Okay. Then this is UEFI USB disk 2. This is our flash. Okay, then press enter. Okay, it is starting from the flash disk. Okay, then here you have to the language you need to install, then time and currency format, keyboard input method, then press next, then install. Okay, here we don't have product key. Okay, we are going to install Windows Server 2022 desktop experience. Okay, for example, if you need to install server for managing, or the server will work on data center, you will choose data center desktop experience or data center. Then here next. Okay, then accept the Microsoft terms license. Next, then custom. Sorry, you have to change into BIOS. Let us check. Press F10. Okay, let us change here the SATA emulation. Let us set AHCI. Then press F10. Then save change and exit. Press F9 again. Okay, choose USB disk. Okay, here press next, then install now. Setup is starting. Okay, here we don't have product key. Then choose Windows Server data experience. Okay, accept the terms license. Then this, you see, the hard disk is appeared. Then we are going to delete or partition. Because we don't want anything here. Then apply. Okay, then you are going to install the Windows Server. Here you see it is Microsoft Server Operating System Setup. Next. Okay, then here you have to wait. You see, it is getting files ready for installation. Here you have to wait. It is going to restart. Starting service. It is going to restart. Okay, here by default it has administrator. Then we are going to assign password. Then write server at 2020. Sorry, you see, it is server at. Then we type or we enter server at. You see, it is the same. Then click finish. Okay, you see here it is asking us Control plus Alt plus Delete. Three combination of key. Okay, we have server. We are entering password server at. It is starting. It has wait. You see, it is already done. Let us wait. It is still running. Okay, it has enable network. This is the server manager where all management of server is belongs to. You see here our server, it doesn't have any service it is running. Okay, thank you for watching this video. For the next step for server management, I will show you how to install different services into this server, where we show you how you can create users on server and how you can manage the users to the server. Okay, thank you for watching this video.